want to.
All right, here we go.
Okay, this is Lee from the Research in the Paranormal, and this is Siobhan on my left.
Got Trey in the back.
He's our guest.
Yes.
And
We're
going to use them for bait. Yeah, come on, Trey.
I'm not walking down there.
Come on, man.
Okay, I'm pretty frustrated.
Anyway, we got a voice. It's pretty deep. One problem though we're having is the water level is really high, and we did not know about this, so we're in tennis shoes. We already climbed up a mountain just to get up to this China wall. So we had a cameraman here, but
He left already.
he left. So
We're getting a lot of activity already.
we're getting a lot of activity, and we're going to walk down this way.
Yeah. This is the Donner Summit Tunnels. And we're getting a lot of voices. Yep. Yep. We're going towards it.
Are you scared or demon? I keep hearing the door. I hear it.
Show yourself. You want to use a different app?
Your thing keeps going
Cutting
out.
off? Okay.
Give me my phone.
Oh, it's in the bag. I'm recording Siobhan right now. You see anything?
I hear that.
I can't find my phone.
I don't hear no voices now.
Well, I mean,
Let me call your phone because it makes a noise when I call it.
Put it in here.
I'm a
Before we were climbing up, but
Oh shoot,
it's stuck in here.
messing up the video.
Hey, Siobhan, start singing really loud.
Sing real loud.
Yeah, I want a trigger effect. Right now we're doing a trigger effect.
I can't get out of this app for some reason.
I can't find my phone.
I'm trying to call it for you so you can find it. All right, I'm calling it now.
Okay.
They're gonna be like, "What kind of video is this?" Oh, it's on the side of the bag. Take the bag off him.
Oh,
Shoot, this video is gonna mess up.
that's okay. We can always. Where we at?
Hey, Siobhan. There's somebody standing in front of you.
Who's it?
You look like it. You heard the voice?
Turn it back.
Did you find it? What?
Call it again. It's not in this box.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but we're having a little.
Technical difficulties here.
I hear it ringing.
yeah,
Why does it keep stopping? We're missing a lot.
It's in this. Right here. No?
Man.
There it is.
Found it?
Trey, I gotta show you something.
Is it?
I gotta show you something right now.
You can bring it again?
You're gonna crack up so I tell you. You ready?
Yeah.
We can't find our phone.
Here, let me tell you.
Oh my God.
Is this? Check.
No.
What?
Damn, what the hell?
What was that trying to do around here?
Call it again. Did you
Got
find
it.
it?
I got it. I got
Okay.
it now.
All right, I'm gonna need the. Siobhan, you want to hold the camera? Yeah. It's still recording right now, too.
Okay.
You gotta put your hand through there. Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, so we gotta record it.
You see all that? Graffiti and stuff. Where's the rest of the crew? There's one. Where's the last? Where's the other one? Come on, baby. If you really don't want to, you don't have to.
Right now, watch out for that water.
Oh, for sure.
Go to the side.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Right now, I'm putting on the ghost radio, the voice gram.
Careful now, it's slippery. You see how slippery?
Oh no.
Uh-uh.
Anyone there?
I was gonna say, look at the shark. Look at the shark. The big shark. The big shark.
Big shark? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Especially that one over there. Yeah. I was trying to show you that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Those are ice. Pure ice. Bigger than my head, my foot. Huh? You did what? Oh, I know. It looks like a footprint. Look at this. Looking like a footprint. See that? Right? Look at that. What is that? Yeah, I'm recording. What is around that corner? What is around these corners? Huh? What's up there? All right, but what's that? Look at these walls. Do you see this? You hear this? Anybody here?
Yes.
I heard a yes. What is your name?
The name is Abby.
Abby?
Yeah.
Hi, Abby. How long have you been here?
Who is this?
Abby, did you die here? Nick? Hi, Nick.
They said hi.
They said hi to me, y'all.
I'm gonna pull out my Bluetooth speaker. So
Do you see that face in the corner? What?
It said your soul.
Your soul?
Talking about me.
Huh?
Talking about me.
oh boy.
Yeah.
I know you're a demon.
And he goes, you're a soul.
So if you're a demon,
What was that?
show me what you can do.
That. Do you see what I see?
Throw a rock.
Not at me.
Oh, he said I am. So get ready. I'm waiting.
They said I am?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? You all doing attack, but I just do that like 2 more feet. I see you.
Why are you this time? I
My fingers are so numb.
Whoa.
What was that? And who was
You
that?
heard that?
Who was that?
I don't know.
Was that your app?
Did he say me?
No, the Bluetooth is connected to your
Did you hear
phone.
me? Who are you, me? What is your name? Do you have one?
Afterlife.
What?
Really? Is that your name? Nice name.
Are you,
So-
are you videoing this?
Yes, I am.
This is the demon.
Yes, I know this is a demon. Demon, what is your name?
Why are you in this tunnel?
What is your name, demon? Show yourself.
Railway.
What is that? Lake?
Railway.
Railway. Yes, this used to be a railroad.
We are in the railway.
This used to be a railroad.
13.
What do you say?
13.
My favorite number.
Are we talking about the number of who you have?
Why are you still here?
Unit.
Unit.
Yeah. Yeah, I see some demons in here.
Well, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Team. It said team?
It said team.
Yeah, we are a team. We got the shirt on there. No.
Not resting.
Not resting. Yes,
No,
we know you're not.
I am not resting as well, so I feel you.
You don't rest. You don't need rest.
I understand that.
Show yourself.
Am I talking to a spirit or a demon now?
I heard a screaming.
No.
I'll tell you what, you got a hell of a lot bigger.
Phone.
It's
It said phone.
So,
Phone.
make it rain. Make it rain, man.
I just want to take pictures for the video.
Hold on, babe. Hold on, babe.
make sure you're videoing us.
I'm trying to get off these rocks.
Real.
There. My hands are freezing cold right now. I don't have to.
Turn that on. It's fully charged. Turn lights off.
One more. My back is spazzing. My back is spazzing up. My back is spazzing up.
It's sitting under.
Somebody come get this camera, please. Come get the camera. Come get the camera. My back. Oh my God. Yep.
It's gonna be a one messed up video.
So, we have picked up a demon, and he says he has 13 of them
Yep.
that are backing him up. I'm just waiting for something to
That's not connecting to your Bluetooth?
fail. I'm just waiting for something to come at me.
Something.
If I could go down there further, I would. But I can't.
Darn, this sucks.
It said orb.
Or, oh.
Am I talking to a spirit or a demon?
Whoa, did you hear that voice?
Told you.
It went roar like that, right after you said that.
Man, I'd love to come down there.
Who did that? I heard it again.
Yeah. You want me to come down there, don't you?
Why don't you do this halfway?
It sounded like somebody was belching or something.
I said scan.
You heard it? I heard it again.
I also heard that. like something falling.
Yeah.
They said thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for what, though?
What am I thanking you for? One. Yeah, you got fucking cold.
This sounds like a lot of people down there. Man, this is, oh my God, I'm
There are a
so
lot of
disappointed.
Chinese.
We will return.
It says we.
Yeah, we will return to this tunnel when it gets warmer.
When it says we,
Stupid, this year is just terrible. It's not warm yet.
when it says we, us,
Yeah.
you're dealing with the evil.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't seem like it has that much power. Oh.
You know who I am?
Okay.
Most of your friends do.
Lost? Is it connected to your Bluetooth? Lee? Is it your Bluetooth, is it on?
Yeah.
It's connected? Try the spirit box. That one's usually good.
Standing stop.
What do you say? What do you say? Hello?
What?
What do you say? What did you say?
Cool.
You just said something.
Yeah, it said power off. He turned it off. He turned it off and it said power off or something. Yeah. I swear I keep hearing voices.
It sounds like you said, I miss you, girl.
Yep. She said I miss you.
You can speak into this box.
Really? It said really? Talking to the boss right there. What was that? Like a laughter. You guys coming?
So,
A lot of water there.
how many people died down here?
10. It said 10.
Are you still, you're still trapped in here?
How far does it? Oh man, I gotta watch this water. Going deeper. I hear a little kid. There's a little kid down there. Can you walk across that? Yeah, we can. It's all ice. You can walk across it.
I can't move.
What?
I know. I hope he's down here.
I gotta cover this camera. Hold on a second. This is all ice. Wow. Wait, you mean to tell me we can go in deeper? Lee? Lee, we can go in deeper? A little more deeper? Any words?
So did you work hard putting this tunnel together?
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, we got in pretty deep.
Yeah.
I think whoever those people were, we should have followed them. They probably knew a way. I keep hearing a little girl laughing down here. But be careful, you know what they say about that, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It could be a little girl spirit, but it could be something else. Trying to lure you in.
Yeah, see, it hits the water right here.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
That was my foot.
No, I heard a cough.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Does anybody want to speak to me?
Huh?
What? Are you coming?
What?
Okay. You going down?
She's gonna get sick. Ooh, there's a good one.
Yeah. It goes to water right there.
Yep. Well, this is far in. Anything else? Spirit box is on?
No, I took it out. I'm not getting nothing.
Where did it go? I know we heard it.
I don't know. Weird.
Man, this is coming out terrible. Gosh. Sorry, folks. This is not going the way we planned it.
Nope.
Oh, they're leaving. Now you hear that?
Yeah.
There's people down there.
You got it. Get there.
I'm going to start recording. This is a waste of film. Pyramid Lake. Oh. Sound like it said Pyramid Lake.
Are you I?
Oh man, this whole thing is screwed up.
Later for what? Yeah, it's dead. Let's try that.
This has been a disappointing day. We're gonna have to come back in the summer or something.
Yes.
Yankee.
Oh, Yankee.
Yeah. Okay.
Are we a Confederate?
Yeah, it's talking about the hat that I'm wearing.
Oh, hey! Yeah, you're a Yankee. Well, Yankee was a
Yeah, I know.
term in the Civil War.
Yeah. And my hat is a New York Yankee hat.
Are you slipping?
Yeah.
Herb, you talking about Siobhan? Okay, let's video walking up.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we'll go and see that other
The tunnel. Yeah.
and then
All right.
this just makes me mad. So mad. I want to go deep.
I know there's another side that we can go to, but we would have to drive. We would have to drive around to find it.
Yeah, but it's on the mountain, right?
No.
Oh, is it?
No. It goes down. It starts from the mountain and it goes down. I watched the video. Yeah, keep going up.
Oh, let's watch where we're going.
Yeah. Ouch. Gone.
Who is I? I know who.
Oh! Okay.
Hey, did you see that?
Did you hear that?
Did you see it? There's a rock.
The rock got thrown. I heard that. It was loud.
And it's through the rock.
Didn't you ask it to throw rocks earlier?
Yes. Okay.
I'm recording too.
You did what I wanted. Why do you always do it when my back's turned? Man.
Was it that one?
That's it. That's it.
Oh, wow.
3.
3 of them. Oh, shoot. I think we should keep
I
moving.
do not want to leave you, but I'm going to be back. We're going to be back.
Yeah.
You are.
You are.
Yes.
That was good. It said you are. Wow. Yep. We are definitely coming back.
I'm coming back. And Jeremy's right. We got to be prepared on this shit.
Yeah.
Feeling. Yeah, my feeling is James Brown. Floppy and good. Giving that up and down.
On the ice.
Floppy and good.
Oh, man.
So good.
Oh, damn.
What big was that? It said Fairview. I know.
Oh,
Whoa, there's another rock.
another rock.
Did you see it? I heard. Oh, so, you know, here, I'll dance again. Oh, I feel good. You know what I feel now? You don't like my dancing, do you? Because you know I'm not afraid of you. Throwing rocks. Watch out, okay? This is when it happens.
Yeah. I don't want to get hit in the shoulder again.
Well, that was impressive. I can do that. I'm gonna go to the other side. To the other tunnel.
Oh gosh.
Alright, let's put our shit in the bag. But keep recording,
Yeah.
because usually when you turn off, that's when all the shit stuff is going in.
Yeah.
Okay, let's help.
Go against the wall. What'd it say?
What's wrong, Siobhan? You back? Yeah, come on.
Lee,
Yeah.
you had 2 rocks just almost hit your back
What?
as you were going up.
Really?
Yeah, I got it on camera. 2 rocks. Big ones. They landed in the snow here.
Come here.
I'm grabbing the wall. That's how I'm getting up.
Let go of the stick. Come with me. Real careful.
Oh, another rock just got thrown.
Wow.
It landed right in the water.
Why are you scared? Why are you scared?
We're not that high.
We're gonna get across this. Come on.
Oh no, please don't. No. There's got to be another way. There's got to be.
There is no other way.
There's got to be. There's got to be.
There is no other way.
Just close out and let
No,
me guide you.
No.
But we know what we're doing.
I gotta blow my nose, goddamn.
There's got to be another way down. There's got to be.
Close your eyes and let me guide you down until you feel comfortable.
Oh boy.
Go. I got you, bro.
Oh.
What was that?
Yeah, what was that sound?
Are you gonna be okay?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I just lost my shoe. That's all.
We got another problem. The
What?
camera's about to die. Video.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so scared to death.
Don't be scared. That's when you're gonna make a mistake. Okay?
There ain't no mistake to be made. Up there.
That's when you're gonna make a mistake. Come on. Don't move up
Whoa.
like that. Just walk with me. Come on.
Oh fuck. Yeah, just. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop this.
Try to grab me.
You got me.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna stop.